Hello everybody, welcome back to the final iteration for my first person shooter level for level design class. So not a lot has changed. Before in the last video I said, I don't remember if I said what the issue was, but I'll say it again. I most likely did. But I'll say it again. Um, I'll say it again. Um, I'm working in Unreal Engine and not directly editing in Unreal Tournament. So I don't necessarily have all the capture the flag spawn points. I don't have the flag spawn points. I don't have the weapons. Since I'm working in Unreal Engine itself, um, I would have to be using I'm sorry, not have to be using anything. I would have to be coding all this stuff on my own. And since this course is strictly theory and not necessarily coding all the aspects of the level, just designing them, I decided to just go with placeholder objects with placeholder messers instead of like actual capture the flag things. That being said, I also don't have bots running around, so if I were to hit play, it'd just be me. Just kind of running around by myself. So, in terms of actual level design layout and stuff like that, I haven't really been able to test too much gameplay wise, because any sort of testing I could do in this level without having to go through the process of remaking everything in the Unreal Tournament editor. Uh, any sort of testing I could be doing is just me kind of running around saying, what if there was a guy there? What if there was a flag? What if there was a power up? So in terms of gameplay, nothing much has really changed, or not gameplay, just level layout. Not a lot's changed. What I decided to do, which I'm sure you can tell just by looking, is I added a terrain around, so it's no longer a cutoff right there, and you can see here it's not perfect. Right here is where the flat box that I drew for the ground is, and this is where the terrain kind of melds into it. So it's not perfectly in there. You can see a couple lines. I just wanted to have it in there. You can see a hole where, yeah, you can just see this hole right here. I wanted it to be present, so it just gives the level a different feel. So you don't fall off the edge of the world, and you can't get up here. It just gives it more of a level feel, because you can't fall off into nothingness. So that was the main thing I added. As for the design of the mountains around, there's not really one I was thinking of. It was mainly just kind of brush around, and then I would hop in and then try and jump on top of things. And if I could get on top, then I would brush a little more. Oh, that's new. Interesting. Not exactly sure why that happened, because I just kind of fell through a terrain. But, yeah, that's my level and how it is. Largely unchanged. But I think the terrain around it gives it a nice touch. And this will be my final iteration for this level. Stay tuned for more levels, though. Peace.